Hey kids, I'm in the kitchen tonight and I'm making some Brussels sprouts. Let me show you what I get out for the cook. Okay, so I got a skillet over here and I got some bacon bits browning. I've added some garlic. I'm gonna add some more, let that take care and cook a little bit. More garlic, some onions, some scallions, and some Brussels sprouts. Get some lemon out here in a little bit. We'll see how things go when I start adding more stuff to the pot. Okay, so far I got the bacon bits browning. And I've added my garlic, and I'm just going to let that get a little bit brown. In the meantime, I'm going to cut up some onions. Alrighty, everything is getting nice and golden brown there. I have the stove on about a 3 or so. Next thing we're going to add is some onion. I'll let that cook just a little bit, and then we're going to add the remaining of our ingredients. Okay, so we're just a few minutes in and the onions look really, really good. Now what we're going to do is dump in our Brussels sprouts, which I have destemmed and taken the cores out. And we're going to also add some green onion. If I can get everything out of the bowl here. And we're just going to saute that around a little bit. I might need a little more oil. And we're going to season it. Oh, look there. It didn't get chopped all the way. That's okay. We'll fix that. And we'll add a little bit of seasoning, and we'll keep on cooking. All right, now I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil right on top of there. Generous portion of it there. And a little bit of salt. And a little bit of pepper. And some lemon. Squeeze a little bit there. Yeah, squeeze a little bit there. And ooh, look at that. That's starting to look good. Oh yeah. I'm just going to keep sauteing it until that's all nice and yummy. Oh yeah, baby. Okay, be back in a bit. Alrighty, all we're doing is just letting this cook and stir fry a little bit, tossing it around a little bit until we get everything nice and tender. This is really close to being finished. Smelling good. Took a little bit of lemon out because I thought we were going to have a change of plan on the recipe at the last moment, but we decided to not do that today. We'll try that again another day. But we're nearly done. Gonna keep letting it cook and stirring it some. Alrighty, it's all done. All that's left is the taste testing. Alright, here we go. We're diving in. Let's see if I can do this here. That's what we're going to try there. Let's set that there for a second. Put the camera around. And that's what it looks like. Yeah, they get there. Camera's not being very cooperative, but anyhow, there it is. Cheers. That is nice. Brussels sprouts are done. Bacon, onion, garlic, you can taste it all. Might need a little more salt. I might have it with some Parmesan cheese. But overall, it's good. It's what's for dinner. Enjoy.